Hello again. As most of you will know, my name's John, and I've put this very quick video together to give a great big thank you to all my subscribers on getting me to the 100,000 subscriber mark. When I retired from my commercial kitchen due to ill health just over 5 years ago now, and I was completely housebound, I decided to share some of our recipes on YouTube, basically to give me something to do, to keep me occupied and prevent me going stir crazy. I had very little knowledge of computers, social media sites, editing videos and the rest of it, and never dreamt of reaching this amazing milestone. It's been and is still continuing to be an amazing journey, and it's all thanks to you. So once again, a great big thank you to all of my subscribers and viewers for making it possible. And now back to the cooking. My very next video, which will soon be available later today, is a fantastic soft sandwich roll recipe, which is very easy and relatively quick to make using simple basic ingredients. So, be safe in your kitchen, thank you once again, and bye for now.